So this is our first attempt at tent camping. We got our motorcycles all loaded up. Let's call it motorcycle tent camping to be exact. Getting ready, got on out to the campground. We almost unloaded them before we were able to record them. His was insane. He had all of that. He had the firewood that's way out there. He had all of that on his bike. He was pretty loaded down where I like eyeballed it the whole time waiting for things to fall apart. But we're about to go out to Colorado and Wyoming and all those places, and we're going to do a lot of camping out there, and we want to make sure that we get it done right. So we're doing some experimental tent camping along the way off our motorcycles, because if you can camp off the motorcycles and have it all right, then we're definitely going to do fine out of the truck out west. But so there's our completed first setup, our first night out moto camping. We got the bikes parked here. We set the tent up over here. Chairs, picnic table.
This will be another nice day, it seems like.
So we made it through the night tent camping. It was nice and warm, nice and comfortable. Everything was really great. This is our mess. Not so bad. His stuff in one corner, my stuff in another corner, and just enough room up there for our cell phones and a lantern and all that stuff. These bags, sleeping bags that we bought are amazing. I think they're just Ozark Trail. I'm not for sure. I'll find out later. These bags are so awesome, so comfortable. We used 2 big bags, one on the bottom, one on the top, and used them as a blanket set. It was pretty great. Anyway, this is how we spent our night, and we loved it. Dave is making our morning coffees. Got our things. I'm glad he does that stuff. He makes great coffees. I'm ready. There's our press. Put your coffee in, stir it up, take the lid thingy, put it down on the top. Perfect instant. Instant, not instant coffee. Love it. Can't wait till it's done. I need my coffee. So here we are at the campground, all loaded up. Had our first night of moto camping. There's my hottie over there. All loaded in. That was our cooking stuff. Our little coolers in there. All my personals in there. My jackets, my sunglasses, my purses are over on this side. He's got the tent, the sleeping bags, the mattress, our table, our chairs, all his personal stuff. Ooh, and this cook stove. Even though we only used the little one, that was so cool. Yeah, this is our moto camping setup. It was total fun. I'm probably gonna do this a lot more often.